Hello, Remote Work Europe people. I've had one or two questions about the LinkedIn guide that I wanted to answer all together collectively, because this is a digital product and obviously I can't send out previews or anything. As soon as you download it through the purchase link, you get complete access to it. And I realized that's not always a great experience compared to if you were buying a book in a traditional bookstore. Remember those where you could pick it up and have a look through? So I wanted to do this quick video just to show you what you're getting if you do purchase our LinkedIn guide, because I think that's completely fair, that you might want to know what's behind the cover that you see on the landing page. So first of all, just to be clear, this is a substantial guidebook. It's not just some little white paper or article. It's something that I really hope you'll be able to use even if you're starting from scratch and you've never set up a profile on LinkedIn before. The table of contents shows you that this is basically where we start from, understanding what LinkedIn is, that it's a social network, but it's actually so much more than that. And we go through everything you need to set up your profile, the different sections of the profile, how you can optimize what's already there, some new sections and modes that might have reappeared. Then once you've set all of that up, you can move on to understanding how to build your network and how the different layers of networking actually functions on LinkedIn in terms of search and your accessibility to different people within that network. So that's really important. You have to do the profile first, then build the network. Then you need to actually talk to your network. You need to post. So we dig into that in quite a lot of detail. First of all, how to engage with other people's posts, but also how to create your own. And there are many different schools of thought about this. I've delved into the latest research about how the algorithm is working, the things that we can glean from what gets said publicly, obviously, and what's actually working, from the endless selfies to the carousel slides. There are things you can do to make sure that your content that you're putting out on LinkedIn has the maximum traction. Then finally, towards the end of the book, we get to the jobs section, which I realize is the reason a lot of people want to be present on LinkedIn from Remote Work Europe, because you're looking for remote roles. And that is really important. But because LinkedIn is far more than a jobs board, you have to start with the profile. You have to start with building your authority and your presence on the network. Then you can start to use it to find the jobs that are absolutely right for you. So that's what I just wanted to show you, this quick overview of the guide. As you can see, there are lots of sections, there are illustrations, there are screenshots. I've tried to make it as useful as possible so that you can put this to work for you. You can have this open in a new window alongside your profile while you work on it and start putting together the profile that's going to win you the remote job of your dreams. So get the guide and let me know what you think.